Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Top AI Gear channel. In today's video, we're bringing you a quick but powerful QuillBot review 2026, one of the top AI writing tools and AI writing assistants. Let's talk about the core features. QuillBot started as a paraphrasing tool, but has grown into a complete AI writing companion. Along with its trusted grammar and paraphrasing features, QuillBot now includes 1. An AI Content Detector to analyze how human-like your text appears. 2. An AI Humanizer to rework AI-generated content into natural, authentic language. 3. An integrated AI chat to brainstorm, answer questions, and guide your writing. You also get summarization, citation generation, co-writing, and translation, all in a clean, easy-to-use dashboard. Let's talk about the pricing. QuillBot offers both free and premium plans. The free version covers basic paraphrasing and summarization. The premium plan is $50 annually, that's about $4 a month, unlocking faster processing, higher word limits, and all paraphrasing modes. It's one of the more affordable AI writing tools compared to competitors. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Here are some quick pros. 1. Accurate paraphrasing with multiple modes. 2. Built-in grammar checker, summarizer, and citation tools. 3. Affordable premium pricing. And the cons. 1. It's mainly a rewriting paraphrasing tool, not a full content generator. 2. Some advanced features require premium. The final verdict: should you use QuillBot in 2026? Is it still worth it? And why QuillBot stands out in 2026? At the Top AI Gear, we've given it strong scores for ease of use, writing quality, and overall value. If you want a no-nonsense AI paraphrasing tool that's fast, accurate, and affordable, QuillBot is an excellent pick in 2026. It won't replace full AI writing tools, but for what it does, it delivers quality consistently. If you want to know about 1. Why should you trust this QuillBot review? Our experience and what most reviews don't tell you. 2. Use cases and applications, AI capabilities, and free plan. 3. What you get for your money. 4. Deep dive into core features. 5. Who is QuillBot for? 6. QuillBot alternatives. 7. Getting started with QuillBot. 8. FAQs, and to see our complete value for money score and detailed editorial ratings, then visit thetopaigear.com and check out the full review, link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite QuillBot feature. Thanks for watching.